Evening, everybody. Just wanted to give an update on the car, projects, some other stuff. The transmission kits, shift selector, all the electronics, suspension, I believe everything. So there should be quite a bit of content rolling out over the next few weeks. Unfortunately, we had a mishap with the GoPro SD card last week and missed this assembly of the transmission. It's gone now. We had about 2 hours worth of video, unfortunately. So we're just kind of putting a filler out there for this week. Beginning of the video is me going out, starting my mom's 1985 Jeep Comanche. She picked up at a storage unit auction. You'll see how that goes. And the end of the video is me explaining the reason that we tore down the 4L60. Fix a few of the common issues. And a couple of a time lapse of starting to put it back together. Started to install second gear servo shift kit and realized there were some springs that I need to install in one of the clutch baskets, so I actually have to take it back apart. So luckily there'll be even more video content there. It's 4th of July. Happy 4th of July to everybody. I don't know if this video will go up tonight, but it's the night I'm filming it. So it's been a crazy couple weeks. We are upgrading our camera equipment and editing equipment. So there should be better content, both quality and actual content. So my daily driver is the best car I've made. 2011 Prius. That's all. Oh, look at that! I found Cletus. Woo! Got my 10 mil. How to not jump a battery if you watch YouTube.
Yeah, clean up them contacts.
Ooh, I'm vibrating. Let's see if we got any lights.
Yeah. Holy cow. That thing leans. Nothing.
So it runs. I mean, it ain't getting fuel yet, but it runs.
What is that gauge right here? Is that an upshift light?
I have no idea. Might be an angle thing.
Oh yeah, for doing the insane mall crawling.
I mean, this is probably more capable than half the truck. Put a couple gallons in it. You gotta hold it up.
Oh yeah.
Smells like gas, right?
Yeah. Looks like it.
I don't think that's diesel. I don't hear anything over there.
Yeah, I was gonna say I don't hear anything. You just gonna try it without start fluid?
No, try it with fluid. Did you keep spraying it or did you stop?
I stopped for a second. I was trying to keep it like at a steady stream, but look what popped out. It looked like a little spider or something.
You want to go start it? Just push that rod straight down. There you go.
Woo, baby.
Runs.
Oh yeah.
I don't know where the fuel pump is on this. I feel like it's going to be an old school mechanical.
Yeah, that's what I would think too. Ooh, belt started sliding off. Unless it was already like that.
Looks like it's been like that for a while.
Yeah.
Stop cursing,
That's the
Grandpa.
thing. We want to.
Grandpa, stop cursing.
Then the other one is into a tree, and now I have to fix it.
It's
And they didn't admit.
talking to you,
I'm
Grandpa.
sorry.
Pretty big mess to get pulled back together. Lost a bunch of video in the last week because the SD card got full and then freaked out. So I'm going to re-record this so you guys understand why I took a brand new transmission to meet apart. 4L60s, it's pretty common that this part fails. It's called the sun shell, I think is what they call it usually. Either way, output shaft gear rides on the planetary. These teeth and the weld in here are what breaks. Now, if you listen, slides in really easy. All that play, all that noise, when you launch hard and when you shift hard, unloads and then reloads, causes that gear to break off. At the factory, the teeth aren't hardened and the weld just wasn't very good. Stock rating, they work fine, but once you start to upgrade, they go bad. This is the new one. If you notice, it's a lot tighter fit. No play from side to side. That will eliminate that issue for at least a little while. It'll probably come back, but hopefully we'll have a different solution. I know we'll have a different solution for the drivetrain by that point. So this is just a version 1 of the drivetrain. This is what we're waiting on to put the trans back together. You would think it might be a fiber disc or something large. But I'll set the camera down and get this unpacked real quick, and you'll see what it actually is. This large box contained that snap. A bit of an overkill. But at least we got the part. That is the only part that was damaged during this assembly. So should have trans back together or close to back together today. If I know it all what I'm doing, which, as I clearly stated a few times in the last video, I don't.